Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can delete unwanted apps on your LG TV. Maybe your TV is running a bit slow, or it might be just clogging up your home screen. You don't want them there, you don't use them. It's nice and easy to do. What we have to do is hit the home button, this button here. And let's say, for example, if I want to delete Plex. So I'm just moving along. These are all the apps that I've got installed down here on this TV. And we've got Plex here that I don't use. So let me delete that one in this video. So I'm going to work my way over to the very left until I've got LG Content Store, and I'm going to hit in the scroll wheel here. So you're just using this as arrows to move around and this scroll wheel in to enter. And I want to work my way up to my apps up on the very top here. So go up and enter. And these will be all the apps that I've got installed here. And you can see that there's a bin up here, a trash can. So we're going to move our way over to that. And we're going to press in on the scroll wheel. And now can you see that we can select all of them, or you can select individual ones. So I'm going to go across and I'm going to start working my way down until I find Plex. Here we go, Plex. So go up to that one and press in on the scroll wheel. You can see we have a little tick on it, and then I can just go up to delete and in on the scroll wheel. Are you sure you want to delete Plex? It's just confirming that. So go over to yes, in on the scroll wheel, and now you can see it's whirring, and Plex should now be gone. So if I go back to home, and if I go across down here, hopefully we'll find now that Plex is no longer here. There you go, can you see it's not here anymore? Now of course you can re-download it if you want. I'll do another video on that. So there we go, it's so easy to remove unwanted apps. Thanks so much for watching.